Okay, so Amir's working on this front here. You can see he's put this new front on it. This is the one that was done by Leap in Catton in the UK. He's just getting it all fabricated in. So he's going to weld down here on the other side and then inside as well. And then and that's sitting really nice on that front radiator grille. It actually has to sit here. You can see where it's kind of scuffed a little bit. It looked like it went in there, but it doesn't. It actually sits on this one. That's the way they're done on all of them. We just keep looking at pictures. Amir looks at pictures, and then I look at pictures. And there's the original. This is the one that came with the car, but you can see how bent and badly bent it was. It's out of shape anyway. And there's the back, and you can see even on the back it was. I mean, the edges there. Look how much corrosion there was in it, and it was completely out of shape. You can see, well, apart this dent is nothing, but this is wrong. There's a high profile and this is low, and there was just far too much lead in it. Now you can see how nice the fit is there and on there, and it sits really nice on the grille. You know, and a lot of this is sometimes is not about being symmetrical, you know, that this side is the same as this. So it's about, when you look at it, it has to look right as well as be right, of course, but because it's such a complex shape, the front of this, the back is bad enough, but the front's even worse because there's so much shape in it, but it's really coming on. So I'll do another video once it's got it welded in, and we'll bring the grill down and show you how it looks. But it looks really central now, and it's got that plane that it should have, if you know what I mean, where it comes in and out and in again. So I'll do another bit once he's got it welded. So as you can see, that's the front bit welded in. Still has to be, we're just lead loading on that side. That's where the micro rust is on the front. You can see how the front's coming on now. So I'll just pull the bonnet down, or the hood for our cousins over the water, and show you what it looks like. So that looks what it looks like with the hood down. You can see there's a little bit of a gap there. You can see the same on the other side. That's a little bit better. So we'll have to lead load that one up there just to make it that better, much better. But you can see the front is really nice. The shape, it's nice and straight along the bottom. And there should be a gap there. That grill shouldn't actually touch the metal, or it would shatter. So, and there's rubbers and things to put in it yet. Then finish off the lead loading, get it primed up. So it's definitely looking nice. It's all welded inside as well. It's going to look good. I don't know if you can see it from there. And then there's a big emblem to go, big chrome emblem goes in there, and then right up the bonnet, centre of the bonnet. So it's going to look nice. There we go. You see it's nice finish on it. So the line will come down and all the way down there. But that's because it was lead loaded yesterday. That's it's with the acid etch on it. Once that's cleaned up, it'll be back to bare metal again. So there we go. Onward and upward. Amir's made a few adjustments. You can see now where how the pedal is. So it's going up to full revs now. And taking this dash top off because that was in the way when you were taking bits out. You tried to get this centre panel out, you had to take this dash out. So now you can take the centre panel or the side panels out without touching the dash completely. So, and the other thing is we've left the other set of rockers. This is the MED rockers in here. But what I've done is taken all the adjusters out. And there's one here that I'm not impressed with that I got in the second-hand kit that I got from the UK. You can see the top. Hopefully you can see. I'll try and get it on focus properly. I'll put it down, maybe that will be better. I don't know if it's going to work. You can see the top of that thread's absolutely buggered. Anyway, so what we've done is change the adjuster. So I've got all the MED adjusters in that second-hand rocker set. That way I didn't have to replace, or didn't have to retorque the head again. Had a little bit of problems with the two end ones, so we had to actually need to slide them off, which was a bit difficult, but we got it. So there we go.